all have thoughts from our past and our childhood, you know, that affect us now.
Two people who know what they're talking about that will show you how you think.
I was thinking about the body, the mind first, but it's really the body first.
Change that will happen to you in the 3 days are just, I really can't explain it all in words.
I loved it. Flabbergasted. In one word, flabbergasted.
I think honestly it made me face myself in ways that I have been avoiding for a long time.
I'm able to stand taller, I'm looser, I feel like my body's more available to me now, and I'm gonna have fun with that.
It's plain to see, even if it doesn't come out in words. It's just super easy to see how people are leaving this building with courage and you know, with so much happiness and so much enthusiasm to go out and face the world.
I think it's going to change their life. I think I'm walking out of here a lot more confident and with a purpose.
And he invited me to this event, and honestly, I couldn't be more grateful.
I have been to Empowerment, I have been to Covey Leadership, I have been to 3, 4, 5, 6 different other ones. Those ones come to name as a big name. This equates with them, the way he designs it, the way he presents it.
Get out of your closed-minded box and come.
I was skeptical, that's for sure. I've always heard about the coaching realm and the leveling up, and I mean, I come from sales, I've read a lot of self-help books, and I'm like, all right, it's just gonna be one of those kind of seminars, you know, just get up there and just rah-rah and that's it. But it was nothing like that.
I know so many of like my clients and my friends and my family, I'm like, oh, they would love this. Oh, what about this person? What about this person? You have to come to this next one.
And the experiences helped me realize transformational coaching is a legit thing, and it's something that I'm really excited to kind of dive into more.
This is my second time, and it still blows my mind. It does a great job. They bring the energy that entrepreneur wants to keep growing and add on to their own value. But they did a great job.
It was incredible. I came in thinking, you know, hey, this is going to give me some strategies for my business, which it did give me those. But more importantly, it helped me to see my blind spots in me and what I need to do to improve myself. And as I do that, I strengthen not only my family, but the world, everyone around me. And that is the key. That's what I've taken away, is working on me will make everything else flourish.
I don't want to ruin the specialty of it. I just want to say that the power behind that, the intimacy behind that, if that's the only reason why to be here, then that's the key. Community is needed, and that's where you're going to find it.
Go all in. Go full out. Don't scrimp on yourself. Invest in yourself. That is the best investment that you can ever make.
Is the cost of the event what is keeping you? Or are you realizing that you're just not willing to take a risk on yourself? Money is going to come back only if you believe in who you are and who you can be to the world. And so listen, just come, you'll see what you're going to get out of it, and it's going to knock your socks off.
My biggest takeaway is to look internal first, of the things I am, the person I am, rather than just the things I do.
Starting off, like, we all are sitting there, we all have our own demons, we all have our own, you know, goals in life. And here at Strength in the World, they're really helping me get to where I want to be, who I want to become. And I'm really grateful for that.
I would say they are a dumbass if they don't come. Because if you want to do better in business with your brand, better in business is kind of a general thing, right? The better we can do on ourselves, the better we do in business. And that's what this is about.
One of the things I believe you'll get if you choose to take your life seriously and take this to the next level is you're going to get a group of people who are excited about you reaching your next level. Also, you're going to get some real good introspection about what are the things that you've been currently avoiding in your life, areas that you know already. I don't have to tell you. Nobody has to tell you. You already know what you should improve on.
I can tell you're real, and I can tell you're genuine, and I can tell all those people that I mentioned too are the same. And that's what people need to see.
If you're deciding to to change your life and you know there's that next step that you're trying to take, there's no other place to be but Strengthen Your World.